Well, welcome back, number ninjas. I can't wait to see you all tackle this new multiplication unit because of your really solid understanding so far of factors and multiples. So in this unit, I'm going to teach you 3 different strategies to use when multiplying. We're going to learn the distributive method, the area model method, and the standard method. I also call the standard method the old people way because old people like me only learned one way to multiply. But this video outlines the distributive method. If you remember from our classroom discussions, the word distribute means to break things up into manageable pieces. So when we distribute our candy at Halloween, we don't give our entire bag of candy to the first trick-or-treater who comes to our door. We distribute it a few pieces at a time until all of the trick-or-treaters have gotten some candy. Well, what does this have to do with multiplication? Well, let's look at this problem. 3,629 times 4. Now, that's certainly not a math fact that we can memorize, but we can distribute it and turn it into 4 very simple multiplication problems. Since we have such a thorough understanding of place value now, we know that the digit 3 is in the thousands place. So we can begin by multiplying 3,000 times 4. The 6 means 600, so our next problem would be 600 times 4. We keep going to our tens place, and we'll have 20 times 4, and finally in our ones place we have 9 times 4. Now we're all doing a really great job learning our multiplication facts, but just be as accurate as possible with multiplying, and to do that just take a few seconds to skip count your 4s down the side of your page. This is going to give you a quick and accurate reference as you solve these 4 simple multiplication problems. Now, just multiply. 3 times 4 is 12, and there are 3 zeros in this multiplication problem, so your answer would be 12,000. 6 times 4 is 24, and when we add our 2 zeros in the problem, it becomes 2,400. 2 times 4 is 8. The 1 0 makes our answer 80, and of course 9 times 4 is 36, and we have no zeros in this multiplication problem. Now with our multiplication steps completed, all we have to do now is add our 4 products. Please take the time to line your numbers up according to place value before you add. When you add them correctly, you'll see that 3,629 times 4 gives us 14,516. Easy stuff, right? Well, what I'd like you to do now is to take that handout that I gave you, and I'd like you to solve this multiplication problem on your handout. 5,764 times 3. 5,764 times 3. Remember, show all of your work. I would like to see all of your steps, including your skip counts down the side of your page. Take your time, do very neat, careful work, record any questions, write down any questions you might have, and I really look forward to seeing your finished products tomorrow.